If you're going through perimenopause or menopause and you're not eating enough protein, that may be why you can't lose the weight. My name is Sheri Mahnke. I am 55 years old and I lost 23 pounds of menopause weight over 2 years ago. I have kept it off and I just want to share with you some tips on how I did it so you can do the same. So if you know why you need more protein, then it's so much easier to do the things. So as we get older, our muscles can't use the protein like they used to. And we need the protein because that's what leans out our muscles. And lean muscle burns fat. Yes, belly fat. So here are two of my favorite recipes for higher protein meals. The turkey Cobb wraps and the cottage cheese wraps. I actually have more recipes just like this in a program that shows you exactly what to eat and when to lose weight. Comment recipes and I can send you these two recipes, or comment both and I can send you the two recipes and some program details as well. Now remember to hit that follow button and share this video with someone else who needs to learn more about weight loss and menopause tips.